got acquainted with slices and timeline. In this video you'll learn how to apply different filtering options to use slices and timeline in a pivot table. In our previous video we explored how to create a pivot table and a pivot chart. We have a source table like this. Let's back out to our pivot table and start by creating a slicer. Firstly, we click somewhere within the range of the pivot table and click on the Insert tab on the ribbon and choose Slicer. The following step is to define what do we want to filter. Let's say we would like to filter sales per brand and per department name. So we tick mark only these boxes and click OK. Our slices are ready. And we've got two lists with corresponding information. So this is another way of filtering. For example, I can filter on the Amazon or Marks and Spencer, or with Ctrl key to both them at once. Notice that the corresponding meaning of the department name is getting available. The pivot table and the pivot chart instantly updates to reflect only the information that are filtering for. Let's move on to the timeline. To create it, we click somewhere within the range of the pivot table and click on the Insert tab on the ribbon and choose Timeline. The timelines automatically pick up date field. Tick mark on the box and click OK. The date values could be displayed by days, months, quarters or years. Also we can click on this button to clear the filter. Now we selected only 3 months: January, February and March. There is a possibility to resize the slices or timeline as much as we want. And change the style. Highlight the slicer and from Options tab choose a slicer style. In addition, that by default are printable. Move on the File and Print command. Change orientation, landscape, and you can see the filtered pivot table, slices and timeline. I'd like to finish by saying that using slices and timeline to create more interactivity and easily filtering is one more tool in your repertoire of skills, and I'm pretty sure you will find it highly rewarding. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your watching.